Welcome to the topic titled Training and Development. What is training and development? Training and development are a function of human resource management concerned with organizational activity aimed at bettering the performance of individuals and groups in organizational settings. It has been known by several names including human resource development, human capital development, and learning and development. These definitions of course are viewed within the context of organizational learning rather than other contexts of training and development. Let's see what are the activities of training and development. The main activities of training and development are training, education and development. First one is the training. This activity is both focused upon and evaluated against the job that an individual currently holds. Education. This activity focuses upon the jobs that an individual may potentially hold in the future and is evaluated against those jobs. Development. This activity focuses upon the activities that the organization employing the individual or that the individual is part of may partake in the future and is almost impossible to evaluate. Let's see in detail about training. Training is a process of learning a sequence of programmed behavior. It improves the employee's performance on the current job and prepare them for an intended job. Let's see what are the purpose of the training. So the purpose of the training is to improve productivity, to improve quality, to improve organizational climate, to increase health and safety and personal growth. So in case of improving the productivity, the training leads to increased operational productivity and increased company profit. In case of improving the quality, better trained workers are less likely to make operational mistakes. And then to improve organizational climate, training leads to improved production and product quality, which enhances financial incentives. This in turn increases the overall morale of the organization. To increase health and safety, proper training prevents industrial accidents. The personal growth can be improved by training the employees, a wider awareness and enlarged skills base, and that leads to enhanced personal growth. Now let's see what are the steps involved in training process. The steps involved in training process are identifying training needs, getting ready for the job, presentation of operation and knowledge, performance tryout, follow up, etc. So first let's see what is identifying training needs. A training program is designed to assist in providing solution for specific operational problems or to improve performance of a trainee. So this involves organizational determination and analysis, operational analysis and man analysis. In organizational determination and analysis, allocation of resources that lead to organizational goal is identified. And then in operational analysis, it determines a specific employee behavior record for a particular task. And in man analysis, knowledge, attitude and skill one must possess for attainment of organizational objectives are identified. And the next step is getting ready for the job. The trainer has to be prepared for the job and also who needs to be trained. The newcomer of the existing employee or the supervisory staff are identified. Preparation of learner involved putting the learner at ease, starting the importance and ingredients of the job, creating interest, placing the learner as close to his normal working position, familiarizing him with the equipment, materials and trade terms. Then the next step is presentation of operation and knowledge. The trainer should clearly tell or illustrate and question in order to convey the new knowledge and operations. The trainee should be encouraged to ask questions in order to indicate that he really knows and understands the job. The next step is performance tryout. The trainee is asked to go through the job several times. This gradually builds up his skill, speed and confidence. And the next step is the follow-up. This evaluates the effectiveness of the entire training effort. Thank you.